Okay. The first thing is I need to get a nice picture of a screw, a washer, and a nut. So to do this, I'm using SolidWorks actually. Uh, I get those components from the toolbox. So actually, I have M6 screw with washer and nut. So I created I created an assembly, empty assembly. I pull those components from the toolbox and position the assembly nicely and save it as a JPEG. So once you get in a JPEG format, knowing that maybe before you create a picture, make sure that the background is in white. So you remove the color, remove the gradient. So make sure it's white. So when you get a picture, you need to use some tool. There's a tool available. Uh, why you need this tool? You need that tool is actually is to remove the white background to make it transparent. So the tool that I use I have Photoshop, but you have also other tool like Paint as well. You can use it, paint.net. You just select all the white and remove the white and replace it as a background with transparent background. So in my case, what I did is that I use Photoshop. I use the magic wand to select the border of all the white, and I use a reverse select. So I select the entire picture of the screw, washer, nuts, that assembly, and then I create a new picture with the transparent background and paste that picture on it. So then I save as a toolbox.png. Now the next step I need to do is to convert the PNG file to ICO file, because the in EPDM the picture that you need to insert should have either BMP or ICO. I think the ICO is the is the most useful because you can reuse those data, because those kind of like picture you use for an icon. So you see here that I have the assembly of SolidWorks. I have and then I create the JPEG picture, and then I use the Photoshop to get the PNG files. So now I need to convert the PNG to ICO files. Unfortunately, Photoshop doesn't do this, so I'm looking for some tool available. So there's a tool available uh, on the internet called, it's actually a website called converticon.com. So I go to that website, run this, and then I will select the toolbox.png files. Okay, now I get that picture coming over, knowing that picture is the 945 pixel by 945, so it's a squarish picture. I'm gonna export this, select the export. I say I want the icon files in the format 128 by 128. Okay, right, so then I do save as, and then I point to the folder where I want to save it, and then save. That's all. Very easy. Okay, let me have a look at on my folder. See, yes, I see the toolbox.ico file is created. Okay, the next step, I gonna want to create a data card, and that data card, as you want to do, is data card for the folder where we store all the toolbox. So I can pick up any of the folder. Let me see. I take the library folder. Okay, here's the library folder. Okay, so you can see that library folder. Alright, the data card for library folder. I'm going to delete this icon, and I'm going to browse to get this icon instead. Alright, so get this icon. Okay, I can change the text file. I say I can change it to toolbox library, and then I will do save as, and then I will point to the library toolbox, and I can change it to, I can add the name toolbox library folder, and I save inside the toolbox. That means that now whenever I go to the I browse to the toolbox folder, this will show up as the data card for. Alright, so let's go to demo. Okay, library. So you see on that one I have this library. Okay, or you can see the data card for this library, and then if I go to the toolbox, then my toolbox icon will come up there. The icon will come up nicely in the data card of this. So that is the best way that you can customize your data card with the graphics that you like, and that's the one that's really it represent what I want to show.